How to fix Farmers Dynasty 2 is crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click the game in your library and open up the properties. Now go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is completed, you want to go back to the general tab and add -dx11 to the launch options. Now you can close Steam, and then you will need to open up your GPU app where you can get updates. For AMD, you can use AMD software, but for NVIDIA, you can install the NVIDIA app. Go to drivers, and then from here, make sure to download and install the latest available driver update. And the last thing you'll need to do is install the redistributables by searching for redist, and then click on the first link. Now from here, from the second table, you will need to download and install the 86 and the 64, both of these. And once you finish the installations, it will ask you to restart your computer. And right after the restart, before opening the game, you will need to run Steam as admin, right click and run as admin, and then launch the game from your library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.